So first job of the day, bulkhead. Got to come off, let's do it. It's not easy to do this one-handed. That was easy. Okay, so I've undone a few of these screws now. Left a couple at the top so that it doesn't fall down on me. Using a T30 Torx bit. Got to take off the handle. A couple of tie down points. One there. One on the other side has come off as well. But so far so good. Easy enough. Okay, so I've loosened off the floorboard so I can lift them up, and I've undone, there's about 4 or 5 bolts underneath there. Fingers crossed, should be able to just lift this up. Right, so I can't do it one-handed. Trouble with filming and trying to do it at the same time, so yeah. This bit down here. Let's get it off. That's the first job done. Done. That's it. First part of the job done. Get a bit more light in here, we can see a bit more what we're doing. Also a bit of security while it's empty, because people can see there's nothing in here. No reason to break in. Trust it to rain now. Right. One job done. Okay, so we got rained off yesterday. We took the bulkhead out. That's opened this up really well. We've got some natural light coming through. We can take the seats out later on as well now, so we can put the swivel seats in later. It's just taking the handle off. You can see it down there. That's the handle that goes just here on the side there. That's going to be resprayed. Don't want a big yellow handle on the side of the van. So job for today is to take up the floor, give it a good scrubbing, good clean, freshen this place up a bit. So the first job we've got to do before we can take up this flooring is take out these tie down points. So there's a few of them dotted around. One there, there's one here, a few dotted around here. 13mm socket, let's crack on.
In it again.
You've knocked that over.
Oh,
keep it over one side.
Oh.
You tighten it now. You can put it over. Floor's up, as we thought. It needs a real good clean. It's a bit grim. Absolutely filthy. So I'll take up these last bits of wood, and then we'll get some hot soapy water and we'll give this a real good scrub. That's it, we're getting there. We've got a lot of rust here and here where it's been probably, I'd imagine a forklift has put something heavy on here and it's damaged it, but that'll all be covered anyway, not to worry about that. But we're going to treat all this with some red oxide primer, make sure it doesn't rust all the way through, but generally it's looking pretty clean. Not much more to do now, and then we can crack on with the fun stuff. Eventually. Right, so this morning we've finished the cleaning. It's all nice and clean and dry. We're going to recarpet, insulate and recarpet the cab because we've taken all off. All the liners gone. All that plastic rubber Ford Transit builder's flooring, that's all gone. We have some nice soft insulated flooring in the cab. The next job will be to go around and find all of the little rust patches. There aren't too many. There's a couple at the back, and we'll put some Cure Rust down on that. We'll neutralise the rust. We'll then put some red oxide primer on, get a nice base, get some white paint on it, and then that will all be ready to put the battens, insulation and floor ply down. But that's for the next episode, so join us next time, and bye for now.